Picture a beautiful summer's night. You're out on your balcony overlooking this gorgeous landscape lawn. You're going to see fountains, you're going to see beautiful flowers, and you're going to see all sorts of great angulations. But the reason I brought you back here is I want you to see the indoor pool, because before we were starting up the videos, we were showing you the actual excavation. It was one of the first things we actually excavated in the building of this house, and now, well, let me tell you this. It has progressed a ton. You will not believe how far it's come along, and we're finally at the stage where we've got all the steel in place, we can put the roof in place, we've actually got the ventilation system in, and we're just starting to prepare the final pieces for the Drytron. So come on in, I want you to see this. Guys, how you doing?
Really good.
Look at this place. It's looking fantastic. Side of the house. Kitchen, of course, you see this before. You've got your pantry on one side, you've got your walk kitchen. But come on now, picture this. You just had a heavy breakfast and you're on your way. You need a little bit of a workout. So where are you going? You're going to the indoor pool. Before you go to the indoor pool, I should say before I take you there, I want you to see how far we've come along in this front end. Look at the panel work on the top. You notice how we did it symmetrically? How it's all lined up. It flows with the arch and the curve of the staircase. Now, because we had more room and a more consistent angle, we jacked the panels going to the lower basement. So therefore, now you've got this huge pediment to walk through as a signature piece. But then look at the size of the panels. We're going to have a gorgeous big sconce sitting here, all done out of iron. And then of course the panels then are all the same size going down to the basement. Looks very elegant in my opinion. Further, we'll finally get into the place I want to take you to, which is the indoor pool. But as I take you to the indoor pool, I'll let you know on the left-hand side here, this is all going to be done in glass, and this is going to be your gym. And then of course, in front of me right there will be your entrance into the indoor pool. But come on, we're going to kind of cut around and cheat a little. So, here you go. In a mechanical system, when you're looking at it, you have your fresh air intake and your return air outtake. So what you're looking at right now is this is the system that's connected to the Drytron. So the Drytron is responsible for keeping the moisture in the air flowing inside the indoor pool, so that therefore when you're in there swimming and you're coming out of the water, which is about 83 degrees, you're actually getting out into a room that's 82 or 81 degrees. The whole concept here is the transition from the pool to the outside of the pool has got to be minimal. But I thought you'd get a real kick out of this, because now you're going to see how a Drytron works. The Drytron on this particular project is located in the basement of this home in a soundproof room, and the Drytron's actually sitting on rubber pads, so there's no vibration. Now you see the pipe, it swings all the way around the perimeter of the indoor pool, and what's cool about it is, if there's any moisture that manages to get into it, well, we've got the pipe on a slight slant, so then the water will just work its way to the end, get caught in a little drain, and remove it. But here we go. What's interesting is now we've encased the ventilation system in concrete, and that's exactly what we're doing today. We're placing all the concrete in place, and you're going to see the guys. They're going to take this concrete, run all the way down, around, and into the front part of the pool. But come on, let's see if we can't find another spot here, because I've left a couple doors open, I should say Nelson did, and we can actually sort of peek through, and okay, not so good there. Well, you know what? Don't worry about it. Maybe we could just get up and over, and you can see the guys in there moving the concrete around. But come on upstairs. Let me just show you how this looks upstairs, because now you're going to get a real sense of this area that's been put together. I took you through this back a long time ago, but now it's actually progressed quite a bit, and I really want you to see how this finishes up. Now take a look at our ceiling and how our upstairs is finished off. Now, the homeowner made a special request for this. He wanted a blue ceiling, so there you go. We captured it, and we're actually talking about doing something really cool here. Some little cloud cover and work like that. And before, I showed you this part of the video where you can see the ventilation system coming up and then distributing all over the front of the ceiling part. Now you've seen it from top to bottom. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll show you a little bit more later on.